Happy 2025. My favorite car meet, Sunday Steel, is finally back in 2025 after being gone for about 6 months. We're headed there right now and I'm super excited. The madness is already starting. Full line all the way down as far as the eye can see. Oh my gosh, can't believe how it's gonna look inside. So I'm filming on my iPhone, so it's gonna look a little different from my GoPro, but we're headed up there right now. Forced my brothers to come with me, so I bought them some merch. I'm gonna be rocking the crew neck. I'm giving them these shirts. They're pretty clean, but make sure you support the event. It's been on hiatus for a while, but as you can see, still strongly attended. It's at the Oakley Museum, and there is a lot of people. So I got something for the boys. Open this up for coming.
What the hell is this? This?
Yeah. All right, so this one is Byron's because it's XXL.
Let's go.
Show us what it is.
Ooh, this is clean.
Yeah. Careful. Yeah, there was someone right there. But there it is. That's Byron's, and this one's Calvin's.
Oh, this is lit. Let's
Yeah.
see what this is at.
Yeah. They only had XXL, and I figured you could use that.
That's
so.
fine. I'll be
Hey, that's you.
That's clean.
Okay. I get a 40 roll with this dude in the X5. Who do you think is gonna win?
Oh, you got him, bro.
Got him?
You got him. That's easy.
Two cars.
That's easy.
Yo, look at these, man. Clean.
Yeah,
Damn, I love this spec.
I don't want to keep flooding with fuel. So
Oh, you're kidding! I thought you got it started.
Wow.
That's why you live there, for pushing cars.
Beautiful spec right here. 458, still one of my dream cars. This is the homies. He actually runs New Rally with his brother. His name, actually I'll keep his name private. Maybe he wants to be private, but accurate plate for sure, accurate plate. But yeah, it's really cracking right now. Like, look how many people are here. This is like the VIP section because the museum is right there, which we're gonna check out. The R34 M-Spec Nerd. Sheesh. Crazy clean, crazy clean. Which one are you taking out of the three? I'm taking this one. That's the dream right there, right there. Wife's boyfriend? Crazy. That plate was wild, man. That plate was wild. There's the boy, Fresh Kicks. Oakley Museum. Let's go, boys. We don't even wear that. Do you guys own any of these? Nah? Do you, Calvin?
I don't.
Okay. The architecture in here is crazy, man. What the heck? What in tarnation? What is this? Wow. Crazy body kit. Straight driven. Look at this GT3 RS. I'm not an expert, so I don't know if this is a 991.2 or .1, but very clean. Nice. Stock wheels. Honestly, these have like some of the best fitment stock. It's really dirty, but it's supercharged, so it gets a pass. On TEs, pretty much the E9X M3 starter pack. Oh, people are still trying to get in, man. What is this? I'm telling you, if you want to get a spot at this meet, you got to come early. Got Mr. Kick's car here. Very clean. What's surprising is it wasn't in the VIP section, but it looked cleaner than the other S15 that was in there. Anyways, he always builds clean cars, so this is nothing new. Nice. I don't think people know how rare these are, but it's really cool having two of them together. Oh my gosh. Yo, random Revuel 2 pulled up. What? Crazy. F8. Bro. This is wild.
You know you do it in pieces, you don't realize it. You start adding up going like, I can never.
Yo, what is going on, man? Wow. It's a dangerous ass car. Sheesh. Damn. These, man. Crazy. Crazy. 30 M3s pulled up today. Pretty clean, man. Dang. Wonder how much this would go for. Probably like 50,000 plus because of the condition. Bunch of NSX lined up together. Ferrari. Dang. Crazy. S2000 CR. Crazy rare. Dang. CR looking crazy. Crazy. The new M5, bro. These are looking weird. What the heck? Crazy. What did they do, man? This looks horrible. Almost fell over. Wow.
The bigger is it? The 330.
Oh, look at this. Jeez, man. Okay, I see you. Yo, Ford GT. Dude. This is crazy. What the heck? Crazy. Crazy, man.
Hey, don't touch. Come on.
Yo. McLaren SLR. Crazy, crazy rare. This. Bro, look, this is rare. Crazy clean. Yo. Vuelto, second one that's here. Do you consider this a hypercar? Almost has the price tag of one, to be honest. And after they get to the market, I'm sure they're like $1 million plus with a markup, but they're really nice. They don't sound as good as the Aventador though. Nice Viper, really clean. Sheesh.
What's that? Oh, you do this all the time.
Me either.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Great show.
Getting ready to leave the meet, but we're seeing some gems as we're walking out. Nice. We're about to leave, but you can see there's plenty of cars that didn't even get into the venue part. But it's very clean. See, my car's right there. Look, there were little mini meets in just like every lot. Crazy. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this little recap. I'm looking forward to the next Sunday Steel. I'm glad that they're back in 2025. Please don't burn this one up again, because it's been gone for about 6 months. So I guess I got blocked in. Hopefully I don't hit this guy. Nah, just kidding, it'll be fine.